Have you got everything you need?
Perhaps more flowers.
Do you think it's too much?
I think it's what you want.
I think so, too.
We haven't met for many years.
Mr. Gatsby, exactly who are you?
I've seen the world, done it all, had my cake now. Diamonds brilliant and Bel Air now.
You can't repeat the past.
Why, of course you can.
Will you still love me when I'm no longer young and beautiful? Will you still love me when I got nothing but my aching
You want too much.
I know you will, I know you will.
I knew it was a great mistake for a man like me to fall in love.
Will you still love me?
And I just let myself go.